This will give you a sense of the overall show, and also this is Maryland, Ocean City, Maryland. Beautiful place. I'll go all the way around. Get a little peek there. Does she own the Mustang? You own it or does she own it? The little girl? The little girl? Can she be on the videos of MustangMedic? Is that all right? All right. All right, we're gonna interview a Mustang girl. She owns this Mustang. So this is your Mustang? Do you like your Mustang? Yes?
That helped clean it.
You don't want to talk to you. It's okay. It's all right. Do you like my hat? You want to wear my hat? No? Okay. Well, I got a response out of you. I like your car. You got a beautiful Mustang.
Say thank you.
How old are you? How old are you?
Yeah, 2.5.
Are you 2? My daughters were 2 too at one point in time. She's a cutie.
Grow up fast.
Yeah, yeah. Congratulations. That's what it's about. It's about kids. It's about family, and then it's about Mustangs. And obviously, he loves his because look at that one. Look at that. All right. Nice. Once again, I've spotted one. I'm heading in. I'm going in. There you go. Pretty and orange. Look at that. That's clean. Engine time. It's always in the details, guys. You're looking for straight lines. This has got straight lines. You guys want an interior shot? I'll give you an interior shot.